In this video, we will show you how to install corner lights for your 1998 to 2001 Ford Ranger. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's start by opening the hood. We will remove two 1/4-inch screws. Next, let's remove the corner light and the 3 light sockets. Now, place the light sockets into your new corner light. Then place the corner light assembly in the stock location. Tighten the 1/4-inch screws that were removed earlier. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.